Hey baddie, it's me Felix and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, what we're actually going to be doing is a Bebot makeup, which honestly means baddie in the Philippine language. And it's actually a baddie makeup from the early 2000s. I hope my research was correct. So it's been all over the place, and I also feel really ugly today, and I wanna, switch up my mood. And I think with like a good makeup, a full glam makeup, I'll be able to uplift my mood. I also did like a quick fake tan prior filming, so I already feel better. But let's just get into it. So I'm gonna use the Bourjois foundation, Healthy Mix foundation, just to even up my skin tone, even though like my fake tan is like literally fake tanning and I'm so obsessed already. Let's just see if this is gonna be like the right shade. I think so. I think this is gonna be actually a perfect match, which, doesn't happen that often. I usually need to mix and match, and girl, it's a whole process. So let's just see. Oh my god, yeah, this is a perfect match. How are you though? What's up? Girl, I'm loving 2026 so far, makeup wise. I think it's iconic. I think I'm so happy that like the full glam makeup is back. I feel it in the air. That was my 2026 prediction back in 2025 that we're bringing back makeup. And I think Zara Larsson and Sophia Sinnott, they really did that. And I think this Bebot makeup is bringing back makeup even more internationally. So I think that's so iconic, and I'm so happy because I missed makeup. I missed the full glams. I missed YouTube. I missed doing YouTube tutorials. I missed watching YouTube videos. Comment down below. I think that's collective. Our attention span is coming back. Like, we want to see long form. Is that true, honey? Tell me down below. But I really am excited for this new era, which is YouTube. This is coming together. I think this brush is not stiff enough. So I'm just gonna go grab this one. I just wanna use it all over your face, even your eyelids, to get rid of any kind of discoloration, any kind of purplish tones, your under eye bags. If you haven't slept, honey, use foundation all over your face. I love a full glam foundation. I love to paint my face literally. And this is what we need to do for the Bebot makeup. Oh my god, Bebot makeup, girl. Thank you so much for whoever brought that trend back on TikTok. I freaking love you so much. I really do. I really fucking do. Like, you are an icon, okay? I love this foundation so much. It is the most iconic foundation. You look flawless. It's a perfect match, thank God. And now let's do some cream freaking contour. We're gonna do bronzer. So it's contour and bronzer combined. For that, I'm gonna use MUA Makeup Academy sticks. These are like an European drugstore must-have. So if you're from Europe watching this and you're making your way to your favorite drugstore like DM or Miller or whatever you have, check out for MUA Makeup Academy. This is like a Swedish brand, I believe, or Norway, girl. I don't know. But it is so affordable. This is like €6. And you just swipe or tap the product. This is contour. We want to contour the perimeter of our face, just right here to get that like V-shaped kind of look. And then same on our eyes. So basically we're creating eyeshadow with cream contour, and we want to go for that lifted look because a Bebot makeup is really all about smokiness, but like a very controlled smoky eyeshadow. This is gonna do us so much justice before we even go in with eyeshadow. We're gonna basically do a whole Bebot makeup, like 80% of it, with cream products. So what I also love to do is with cream contour is connect the beginning of my brow with my nose contour like so. I'm gonna contour my lips ever so slightly because a Bebot girly is really snatched. She has juicy lips. You need to achieve that. We're gonna use the Catrice Melted Sun product. We're gonna use that and just apply it above the contour just to warm up everything. What I recommend is start blending out your eyes to get the least amount of product right here, like so. This is gonna be beautiful. I hope so. But I'm betting on it. So see, we already have some dimension. We have some like snatchiness going on, and we also have like a perfect base for our upcoming eyeshadows. With the same brush, I recommend you go in with the nose contour and start blending that out. Always go inwards. And then I'm gonna do jawline because you don't want any like harsh shadows or harsh streaks. Keep it contained. And also makeup is so fun. Like, what do you mean? You can literally shapeshift with makeup. What do you mean? You can literally snatch your face. You can look like you have 10 kilograms less with makeup or 20 pounds less. This is actually insanity. If you're in Philippines, you have the most perfect tan. I've never been, I wanna go, but that's just how I imagine. So this is like a very like peachy kind of blush. I've used a ton of it and we're just gonna dab it ever so slightly. And now we're gonna blend it with the foundation brush so we don't have that much pigment going on. We want this like effortless kind of look, very, very natural, not the 2026 natural and 2025 blush natural type of natural, but like a 2000s kind of natural. We're gonna go in with L'Oreal Infallible. This is the Bad Drugstore Concealer. I always say it in one of my videos. I'm gonna use the more natural shade around my nose to really get that coverage and under my eye like so. And we're gonna go in with a lighter shade. So a lighter shade will actually add brightness to your face. It will add up to the illusion that we're trying to create, which is snatched. It's gonna be perfect for this look. So we're just gonna mix 2 shades of each. A little bit of my chin and the tiniest bit on my nose like so. Now we just wanna wait, honey, for the concealer to dry a bit so it stays in place, so it doesn't move, so we keep the very strategic placement as it is, okay? Now it's time to use a beauty sponge. And because the concealer has dried down a bit, this is gonna be perfect because it's gonna stay in place, but we're gonna take away from some of that coverage. We're gonna have the most perfect filter-like Bebot complexion, and this is what the goal is today, okay? While I'm blending this out, I have a question for you. What's your 2026 goal that you wanted to fulfill since forever, but you're still delaying on that dream or on taking action? Be honest, be 100% transparent. I truly wanna know. I'm gonna let you my 2026 goals in my next video if you tell me yours in the comment section down below. We're gonna use the Cherry Duo, the Peach Pie powder from Huda, and just setting everything in place like so. We're gonna use a little bit of like the Cherry Blossom powder just to revive our blush right here to get a little bit of the oomph, you know, the extra oomph that we need maybe, perhaps. With a brush, we're just taking away the extra powder. I'm gonna test out this brand new palette from MUA Makeup Academy. Start placing this cool toned brown eyeshadow like so. Oh my god, yeah, this is it. This is the color. You just need to be careful not to apply too much and just to really focus the application right here. So on the outer portion of our eye. And I'm gonna mix a little bit of like a lighter shade that's also like cool toned and just start diffusing the first eyeshadow to have like a really nice gradient effect. You can see it coming together. Can you, darling? Can you see it? Think you can. Bebot makeup is really soft on the eyes itself, but then it gets more intense when you look closer to the lash line. I'm also taking whatever is left on the brush and really connecting it to my nose contour like so. This is already stunning, like the diffusion of it all. Now let's continue, honey, with blending. Oh my god, like this eyeshadow is so easy to do and I give a lot of props to the palette. It has some fallout, but the way it blends, it's really creamy and buttery, so it's amazing. Oh, and this is all matte. Whoa, I need to find a shimmer. I have this really cool looking palette, like the packaging is amazing. It's from Selestia Beauty, and you just want to take whatever brush you want to take, or you can use your finger, but I don't feel like using my fingers today because, you know, I don't know. So there's this like light kind of shade and there's like this darker one, so I'm just gonna tap in the pan of the darker one ever so slightly. And now I'm just gonna go over in the middle of my eyelid and then same on the other eye. The lightest shade, I'm just gonna apply it in the inner corner like so. With a smaller, fluffier brush, you just wanna drag the previous eyeshadows on the bottom lash line ever so slightly, just like so. That's like literally it. Like that's it. Call it a day. It's over. The key secret to Bebot makeup is actually a black pencil. This is from Kiko Milano. This is like the darkest dark black you can get. Like I've tried many and it's really affordable. Like a tight line all over the eye. So just go ahead and do that. Then you want to go above on your lash line, just the teeniest tiniest bit, and just start smudging it like so to really get like a diffused look. For the lashes, I'm gonna use just half lashes. These are random lashes from Shein. And for the lips, I'm gonna use the Anastasia pencils and then like a brownish kind of gloss and the MAC lipstick in shade Honey Love. I'm gonna do this off camera because if I were to do this on camera, girl, it would be a total waste of time for you and me. Oh my God!
Oh my God!
This is the finished Bebot makeup look on my face. What do you think? I think it's giving a little bit of like Kris Jenner, but I'm not mad at all. Like I'm so happy that makeup is coming back, that like creativity is coming back. And also, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell so you won't miss out on my next YouTube video. And until then, don't forget that you are literally the baddest baddie, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!